Total knee replacement surgery at NTTC Surgery Center. Disclaimer: for information only, not to be used as medical advice. Please schedule a consultation or contact your physician. Are you struggling with constant knee pain? It can be frustrating to feel like your body is holding you back from the things you love. But there is hope. At NTTC Surgery Center, we offer knee replacement surgery that can help you get back to doing the things you enjoy. With knee replacement surgery, your surgeon will remove the damaged parts of your knee joint and replace them with a prosthetic joint made of metal, plastic, or a combination of both. This implant is designed to mimic the natural movement of your knee joint, allowing you to move your knee more freely. The benefits of knee replacement surgery are numerous. You could have improved mobility to climb stairs, or enjoy your hobbies and interests once again. At NTTC Surgery Center, we use the latest technology and techniques to ensure that your surgery is as safe and effective as possible. Knee replacement surgery has a success rate of over 90%, and complications are rare. You can trust our experienced and caring team to guide you through the process with compassion and expertise. Recovery from knee replacement surgery typically takes several weeks, but most patients are able to resume their daily activities with minimal restrictions. With advancements in surgical techniques and technology, the procedure has become even safer and more effective. If you're considering knee replacement surgery, it's important to talk to your doctor to determine if it's right for you. And if you decide to move forward, we'll be here to guide you every step of the way. Our surgical care concierge company, Hinkapin Health, will provide the care coordination for your surgery. At NTTC Surgery Center, the surgery costs $17,435. It includes the surgeon's fee, the anesthesiologist's fee, the cost of the knee implant, and the facility fee. In the unlikely event of a surgical complication, there may be additional costs that are not covered by the bundle price. Don't let knee pain hold you back any longer. Take the first step towards a more comfortable and active life by talking to your doctor today or contacting us at NTTC Surgery Center. Visit us online at nttc.care or call us at 844-737-0108 to learn more. Thank you for considering us.